Everyone. Today I'm going to show how to analysis a text. Text analysis with the Azure AI service. It means we are able to detect the which language is the text given, what is the sentiments levels, what is the key phrase, recognize the entity from a text with the link or well-known knowledge. Okay, these are the few things we are going to analysis. So first of all, during the analysis, we have to go the Microsoft portal.azure portal, and we need to click on the create a resource. After this, we are going to search language service. Okay, you can see here this is the language service. We are going to click the create language service, and here is the two things: custom question answering and custom text analysis. So we will select the these things. Custom text analysis, we are going to analysis the text and click continue to create your resource. You can see here the details. We have what is the subscription we need to choose. Suppose we have already a resource group, then we can select the resource group, otherwise you can create the new resource group. Okay, you can give here the any name. I am giving the test, and this is pricing tier. I am choosing the free. Name is always there. Okay, subname is already used. Okay, and we have to either choose the existing storage account or we can create a new storage account. So we don't have any create, so we are creating the new storage account. Storage storage 1 2 3. Okay, any storage account we can choose. You can choose this one, and I have to click the this one, then click review and create. It will take few minutes. Now it's validated. Now I will going to click on the create. It will be take 1 or 2 minutes to create the language service. So I can see it's created and it's loading the resources. It's still in progress. You can see now its resource is created. Now click on the go to resource group, and this is the text analysis resource. I given the name. Okay, it's created. We go the resource management and keys and endpoint. So we can check that this is the two keys location and this is the endpoint that will be used whenever we will call through the Python or any language. This is the simple steps in Azure to create the language service. Now I am going to demonstrate the how we can call from the client end. I am using the Python language for this. Yep. Now I'm going to show how we can analysis the text using the Python. The first of all, I added the 5 text files here. You can see in the review one files there are few texts I added: good hotel staff, Royal Hotel London. These are the similarly I added the different text files. Some of the English, some of the in the you can see here this is the in the different language, French and all, right? So I'm going to analysis all files. Okay. So for this I added the folders in our project. I will share this project in the last of the in the video link. You can get my GitHub project also. So for analysis, first of all we need to install few things. This is the .NET environment, and this is the Azure AI Text Analytics. This okay. So this model we need to we are using for this. So first of all we will go and this is the requirement.txt. We have to just run the command. This one pip install -r requirement.txt. It will install the all required things. Okay. Then this is the code I added for this. From this is the loading the environment. This is the two things I am using, and this will come under the text analysis. This is I am getting the configuration file, and the configuration file will be set in this in .env file or the endpoint which I showed you like that. This is the our endpoint. We will copy here, and this is the our key. Okay. Then we are creating the client based on our endpoint, text analytics client. We will pass the endpoint and credential. Okay. In this way we will do. First of all, from these lines we are reading the files from the folders. We are doing the for each loop, print the file name. Okay. And this is the client dot detect language. This will detect the language of the file. This is the one line of code, and we are printing this language. After this sentiment, I want to know the what is the sentiment in the statements in the text file. So AI client dot analyze sentiment. So we are analyzing the sentiment, and this line is printing. What is the key phrases in the document? The key phrases can be multiple. So we will extracting the key phrase like the client dot extract key phrase, and we are printing all key phrase by doing the for each loop. Similarly, we are all entities like the client dot recognize entities. We are printing all entities. What is the links? So we are getting the recognized link entities client dot, okay, and we are printing all. This is the few lines of codes to analyze the any text. We can analyze one file, or we can analyze the multiple files. I am doing here the multiple files by reading the all files one by one from the folders. And after this we'll run the command python text analysis.py. So you can see here it's start reviewing, reading all files one by one and giving the details. You can see here it's first review dot text. It will start analyzing this turn. Then what he analyze, what is the language? This is the text I just add printing. Language English, sentiment positive, and what is the key phrase? The Royal Hotel, good service. This is the key phrase in the document. What is the entity? Hotel staff, Royal Hotel, Buckingham Palace. What are the links? It's print from links. Similarly, it's review the second files. Sentiment negative. You can see this is the old hotel. So from this text, it's read the sentiment and all. Okay. This is the mixed sentiment. Very noisy room or thin. What is the sentiment? Mixed. Key phrase. Entities. Links. Review T. You can see here. This is in the French language. It's detecting the language. Sentiment positive. In this way, we can analyze the text within the documents. We can use the multiple documents in the folder and all. And I'm going to share this video, and also I will share the link of this project, my GitHub. I started creating the GitHub collection, so I will share the GitHub also. Yep, that's all for this video. Thank you everyone, and bye bye. And if you like the videos, please subscribe my channel so that you are able to get the new videos soon.